Hey people, what's going on? Hope you're well. Welcome back to another video and to the channel, Road to Empire. Okay, so today we're just going to have a quick look at the markets in the cryptocurrency space and just see how things are going. But before we do that, if you are new to the channel, please do click like, share, subscribe so you can keep up to date with all the latest information and videos. Okay, so we can see right now the top three trending at the moment on CoinMarketCap is Solana, Bitcoin, and then PancakeSwap. So Solana, a lot of people had it down and out, but it's actually come back and doing quite well at the moment. And right now, it's trending number one. So if we scroll down here, we can see on ranking in terms of the top cryptocurrencies in the world. So at the moment, Bitcoin is still above 21,000. So that's good. In the last hour, it's dropped 0.26%. But in the last 24 hours, it has gone up by 1.28%. And then, of course, over the last week, it's shot up as well. And you may be aware last Thursday, when the USA released its inflation data and the report there, that actually had a good pump in the markets. So Ethereum's doing well as well. So it's 1561, which is excellent. I mean, back in 2015, Ethereum was about 70 cents. So if you'd spent $700 and bought 1,000 ETH coins at that time, right? Today, well, not today, maybe a few months ago, the Ethereum coin was valued about $1,000. So 1,000 coins, $1,000 per coin, that would give you $1 million in a period of about 8 years or so, which is not bad. So you can see the power of cryptocurrency when you get it right. Okay, so if you scroll down, we can see here Cardano's doing well at the moment. You've got Dogecoin, it's dropped 0.26% in the last hour. And then you've got Polygon, and then there's Solana, what we just mentioned. So that has shot up to $23.49 over the last week's 45% gains, which is really good. And then you've got Shiba Inu coin here. It's at number 15 at the moment, just behind the Daycoin, before Tron. So you can see in the last hour, Shiba Inu has dropped at 0.24%. But in the last week, it's been doing well with gains of over 13%. And then you've got Avalanche down here. Has dropped a little bit in the last hour. But again, over the last 24 hours and the last week, it's been doing really well. Particularly after the announcement that Amazon were going to be working alongside Avalanche. And then you can see some drops in a lot of the coins at the moment in terms of the last hour or so. So we'll keep monitoring that and see how things are going. So if we switch over to crypto bubbles, so you can see this is quite a good visual way of seeing what's going on in the market. So we can see here basically what's happening. You've got the top 100 coins and you've got US dollar. So you can see, for example, FTT plus 82%, which is absolutely fantastic. You've got Bitcoin here, and you've got Shiba Inu there, for example, and you've got loads of other different coins, Ethereum, Solana, what we just talked about, and Gala. So Gala is an interesting one. I actually bought some Gala a couple of weeks ago, and it has done pretty well. So if you look here, at the lowest point here on this chart, it was at 0.0372, and currently it's hit up to 0.0532. So it's done really well, and it might be ranked 97, but that's one coin to watch out for. Okay, so if we switch to market cap plus week, you're going to see here the top coins, the big boys, the big players, the big people in the game. Obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum, number one and number two respectively. So Bitcoin's gained 22.3% in the last kind of week, and Ethereum's on plus 17.4%. I actually invested in Ethereum a short while ago, and then I put some more in as well to get some more coins out of it. And at the moment, it's doing well. Ethereum is definitely something to watch out for, and potentially in the bull market it could be doing really well. Yeah. So if we switch back over to the weekly view, there you can see all those coins, and if you scroll down, it gives you the list of the top ones all the way down in ranking order, price, market cap, what's been traded in the last 24 hours, the volume, and then what's happening in terms of the hour, the 24 hours a week, and the month, and then the year. So you've got plenty of data there that you could be using to kind of work out what's going on in the marketplace. Yeah, so that's pretty much it right now. So please do subscribe to the channel. I do use Coinbase as one of the exchanges amongst others. So I do have a link in the description below. So if you want to get into cryptocurrency, you can use that link and start, buying on Coinbase. And also, do consider supporting us, supporting the channel in terms of our Patreon. So you just find the Patreon link in the description. And yeah, we will be sharing lots of information, up-to-date news around the cryptocurrency space. We don't provide financial advice. Remember, it can be a volatile space. Always seek professional financial advice, and always do your due diligence. Yeah, so please do subscribe to the channel. Catch up soon.